The reason for this story is I felt bad for what she have done, and I was taking the blame for her. The way she went about life, not caring, knowing, or listening to what teachers, parents, or wise people who knew right said. Did she know why she was on earth in the first place? How was she supposed to live it? She didn't know, so she didn't care about nothing or no one. She didn't care what she said or did. She didn't care of the first impression she gave, how she looked in someone else's eyes. Man, that girl had major problems. She thought it was funny. The excuse that she always used was, I didn't know, pretending like she didn't know what she was doing, trying to find any excuse to get her out of what she had done, letting people peer pressure her and not knowing it. Stealing, drinking, smoking, lying, all of those things went against the 10 Commandments. She knew that, but she didn't care. So when she found out what she had been doing was wrong, she started crying. The whole time she was living life as if it was just a dream or a movie. She would tell me, pinch me. I must still be sleeping. But nothing ever happened, so she stayed silent. But later, she did wake up and actually realize what she had done. She went through a phase that she didn't know she could go through. Why me? She cried out. She thought about everything she had done, and she had all these guilty thoughts going through her head. And she asked me, should I kill myself? Should I run away from my problems? What will people think about me? Why did I have to go through this? She was down and out for a long time. She thought she was the only person who was going through that, but as she got older, she got wiser. She found out that God had a plan for her the whole time and that maybe all she had gone through was part of it. She always knew God, but she was not sure if he was real or not. The things you go through in life sometimes are what God has in store for you to learn from. What we see as bad, God uses for good in his eyes. For once, it made sense to her. Church helped her realize that everything happens for a reason. That took a lot off her mind. For once, she was happy. She felt like what she had done was wrong, but God didn't judge her. He used it to better her footsteps. She felt it was just something she had to go through to help her realize why God gave us life. To be successful and to be thankful for everything you have today and to be thankful for the God that we have. She now knows why she's on earth. She says she is here to make a change. She is I. I now know I can only make myself or break myself. I have the power in my hands, the power of decision. I can go about life how I want. I now know right from wrong, and it's up to me to decide the way I want to live life. I am blessed today to say I don't want to live that life. I want to change my life around because I realized that the way I was living life was wrong, that the actions and decisions I made was going to get me nowhere in life, and that I have to listen and learn because after my parents is gone, I won't have them, but I will have God on my side, and it's up to me to make myself or break myself.
How you doing, baby? Let me introduce me. I'm a blue star from Miami. I'm 5'3", attitude cocky. You sweet like sugar, honey. Of course, she got a man. What they gotta do with me? I see him over there looking at